Hey guys, thank you for joining us at Car System Installation. Today we have a 2023 Range Rover Defender here. This vehicle is one of the popular vehicles that get installed lately. They have different ways to boost through the OBD and create a new key, or just start the car with the emergency way. So we have installed our IGLA anti-theft pin code system. Basically, we don't allow the vehicle to drive away until you enter a code. So first thing, we're going to show you how the vehicle shuts off. Then we're going to show you again how the vehicle just stay running. So I'm going to start the vehicle. I have the car keys, so the same as somebody's just made your keys. Able to go and go inside the vehicle. So you can start the car. The reason we are leaving the starter function to work is to allow also the remote starter to work. So you can still use your remote starter, it will work fine, no problem. But if you didn't enter the code, you put the car in gear, the vehicle just died on me. And now if I'm gonna try to restart it, the vehicle is stuck and it won't let me restart. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna enter a secret code that we have done. Now this code can be changed by a customer as many times as you want. There's no limit of changing the code. I'm just gonna turn off the heat in here. And now I'm gonna enter the code and I'm gonna get a confirmation. You're gonna hear the confirmation after I do the code. Okay, so we have a confirmation, and now I can start the vehicle and I can shift the car into gear. Okay, so now I can drive away without any issues, without any problem. I can drive the vehicle. The anti-theft pin code system is available for a variety of vehicles. If you're interested, contact us at Car System Installation. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.